Hi, my name is Pugal Murugia. Today we want to present our group project Traffic Light System. Our group members are Michael Darren and Mohammad Fidaus bin Mohammad Rosli. Our group developed a circuit using Proteus software. We have used PIC 18F4550 to put the project hex file into it. And also our circuit have counting timers, 7 set counting timers, and also three state traffic lights. It shows indicator for red, yellow, and green. And also we have a push button for pedestrian and resistor. We also have a LED, green LED and red LED for pedestrian walk. Our circuit also have a NPN transistor. For create a for create the project hex file, we use a PCW compiler for 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 write the C language.
Hello, my name is Michael Darren. Today I would like to present to you how my project function, how our project function. Okay, when I run the project, the south traffic light will turn to green, and then the seven segment will start to count from 0 to 10. And then when it's finished counting, it will transition to yellow and then to red LED. The transition delay is 200 millisecond. When it's finished, it will turn to north point of the traffic. The sequence is the same as the south point. When it's finished counting and turn all the sequence LED, it will go to west, and then lastly it will go to east. East also has the same sequence as the south. All the traffic have the same sequence. To interrupt all this traffic, the pedestrian must be activated. To activate the pedestrian crosswalk system, all the traffic LED will have to turn red, and then the seven segment of the traffic must be 0 to activate the pedestrian crosswalk system. When the pedestrian crosswalk system is not activated, it will uh, turn on red LED to indicate it is not safe for the pedestrian to walk. The push button must be hold to indicate the pedestrian is there to wait for the green LED to on. The traffic will resume its sequence. It will only stop when it is interrupted again by activating the pedestrian walk system. So we will have to wait until all the traffic LED turn red, and then all the seven segment LED traffic light is display nothing. Then it will turn to green, and then count the pedestrian walk from 9 till 0. And then when it's 0, the pedestrian walk will turn to red, and then it will proceed to the traffic again. Okay, that's it for our function of our project. Now I will pass to my friend, which is Fidaus, will explain how the coding of our project works. That's it.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Fidaw Muhammad Rosli, and I would like to continue our presentation about the coding. Okay, first thing first, we use a C programming language, and we designed this for PIC 18F4550. For this, our configuration, okay, this include a header for the PIC 18F4550, which is this include 18F4550. And some configuration, we use a fuses like watchdog timer, low voltage programming, and code protection, and master clear enable. And we set for the oscillator to 20 megahertz. And then we configure the port, and then we put the port A, B, C, and E. A, B, C, D, and E. So we declare the port that we use in our project. For variable, we declare the int which is integer I, integer num, integer step, and integer pd. Pd is a pedestrian. I is for looping counter, step for the counter, and num for the 7 display. Okay, void main is a starting point of the program. So to make a infinite loop while true, where is the main functionality of the program is execute repeatedly. So we use set_trace A, set_trace B, set_trace C, D, and E. Set_trace A into set_trace D we use as a output, so the hexa will 0 0, and the set_trace E, the hexa will be 0 1, which is we use port E0 as a input. So this is a 7 segment flow from 9 to 0. Okay. Start from this. We start if statement for corresponding to the different step, like this. If step 0, step 1, step 2, step 3 until step 7. So we set up the output, which what light or what traffic we want to on, and then this for the 7 segment countdown from 9 to 0, and then we set up the input. We set up the input using port E, so we use E0 for the pedestrian. So this, if input pin E0 equal to 1, PD equal 1. If PD equal to 1, the output will be changed. Like if we turn on the PD, and the output in PD6 will be off, which is this is a red LED for the pedestrian, and then port A and port C will turn into the red light, which is a traffic light, and then port D is our green light for pedestrian. So after that, the 7 segment for pedestrian will count down from 9 to 0, and then for the at the end of the coding, we use delay 100 millisecond, and then step plus if step insert 7, and the step will repeat to the step 0, and it will be returnly until the system is turned off. So the pedestrian can interrupt in any condition of the traffic light. So after 7 segment pedestrian turn to 0, okay, they will continue the traffic light where is the interrupt. Okay, thank you. That's all from our team.